So hello, let's open up your cars. And here we have a Buick. A real beauty. All chrome base. Plastic, of course. Well, let's open it. Blister is already cracked, so we don't need to be careful. Ow! Ah. Yeah, we need to be careful. Okay. No questions. And here it is now. A beautiful turquoise color. 4 wheels. Painted headlight details and front details. Painted side details. And, well, nothing on the back, as it seems like. Or wait a minute. Huh, painted details here. Huh. The only thing they did not paint is the headlights, but chrome here, headlights, but just taillights didn't get paint. The interior? Well, not bad. Can't really see it. But the only downside is the typical steering wheel short seat problem. I liked it more when they had just the base and the steering wheel parts to flip out, bend over, so they wouldn't have this little ugly silver spot down here. But that's not a problem. That's what nail polish is made for. Just put a bit in and it's good to go. The rest of the car, really beautiful. The windshield looks a bit low, but I think that's okay. Yep, just needs to get closed. Yeah, it's a real beauty. I need one of them in real life in my collection. But I probably go for the photo. It's more comfortable. More room for girls. Yeah, a real beauty. Huh. Yeah, if you have one of them, let me know in the comments what I have to look for when I buy one. Yeah, a real beauty. Even the dashboard got some detail. Oh, it's fine. Yeah, nothing beats a Buick. Except for Cadillac, maybe. Ah, a lovely car. What the